Use questioning as a method to learn. English tenses. Part 9 of 10. Question number 1. What tense describes an action that started in the past and is still continuing now, often emphasizing the duration? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I have been studying English for 2 years. She has been waiting for you since 10 a.m. They have been building that house for 6 months. It has been raining all morning. He has been working on this project since January. Question number 2. How do you talk about an action that just stopped, but its result is visible now, and it emphasizes how long it was happening? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I'm tired because I have been running. Result: tired. The ground is wet because it has been raining. Result: wet ground. Her eyes are red because she has been crying. Result: red eyes. The kitchen is messy because we have been cooking. Result: messy kitchen. His voice is hoarse because he has been shouting. Result: hoarse voice. Question number 3. What tense is used for repeated actions that started in the past and are still happening or just stopped, indicating annoyance? Answer: present perfect continuous tense, with always, constantly. Examples: he has always been interrupting me. She has constantly been complaining. They have always been losing their keys. You have constantly been arriving late. My neighbors have been playing loud music all week. Question number 4. When you ask how long an action has been ongoing up to the present, what tense is used? Answer: present perfect continuous tense, with how long. Examples: how long have you been learning English? How long has she been working there? How long have they been living in the city? How long has it been raining? How long have you been waiting? Question number 5. What tense shows a continuous action that began in the past and might still continue into the future? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I have been studying here for 3 years, and I will continue. She has been teaching since 2010, and she plans to continue. They have been building this road for months, it's still ongoing. He has been traveling the world for a year. We have been researching this topic for a long time. Question number 6. What tense is best for describing a past activity that explains a current situation, focusing on the activity itself? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I'm tired because I have been running. My eyes hurt because I have been watching too much TV. The kitchen is warm because she has been baking. He is out of breath because he has been exercising. The children are quiet because they have been reading. Question number 7. What tense describes an action that started in the past and is still not completed but has been ongoing? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I have been writing this report for 3 hours, and I'm not done. She has been painting the house for days. They have been trying to fix the car all morning. He has been learning to play the guitar for months. We have been planning this trip for weeks. Question number 8. How do you talk about recent continuous activity using lately or recently? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I have been feeling tired lately. She has been working hard recently. They have been watching a lot of movies lately. He has been exercising more recently. We have been exploring new places lately. Question number 9. What tense indicates an activity that started in the past and has been happening up to now, even if there were breaks? Answer: present perfect continuous tense. Examples: I have been playing tennis since I was a child, not continuously, but off and on. She has been learning different languages over the years. They have been volunteering at the shelter for a decade. He has been teaching English at various schools. We have been visiting this park for ages. Question number 10. What tense emphasizes the long duration of an activity that is still happening? Answer, present perfect continuous tense. Examples. I have been waiting here forever. She has been talking on the phone for ages. They have been living in that house for a very long time. He has been traveling around the world for what seems like an eternity. We have been working on this project for so long. Like, comment and subscribe.